Whole place flood out.
Yeah, them people have to lean up them bed.
Don't forget the bed.
Lean up to them bed in them room, yeah. I wet up the bed.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
White call.
Bangi.
Wait.
Dana.
Yeah, what?
Right there. Why rain there pan we?
I tell you, I saw my video in the house yesterday to show you, but the current guys, I'm not the current to show you.
Oh,
You
like.
see water, they beat up the sun. If you just pull up, come over.
Can't imagine, because the amount of water you see the place flood out.
Yeah, I said this morning I have to go down there so I dig it out, make the water around there so you don't see now.
Okay. Oh, you have to clear.
Yeah, because some things they black up down there, but clean out. And we take the picture of it and video go straight back down so.
Yeah, and the dream team there come look for you.
Yeah.
Because I know so boy, the water give a warm time around
They
here.
say like all which part never wet.
Wet.
Yeah.
So the
Because all my TV a flood. Me see the TV a flood. Water full part. Me say no man. I better make case, bust off the door right there so I be for every time I work I lock the door. And that's how we go in and plug it out, because in a film we plug out from. And take down the TV. Let him know if to go out again and come back.
Whole light wet up.
Yeah. You see all the carpet that's wet. So right up.
You can't see the whole place, man. You can't see the wet state. Okay, so you have to dig a trench on this as well.
Yeah. The water coming in.
Whole place flood out.
Yeah, them people have to lean up them bed.
Don't clean up the bed.
Lean up to them bed in them room, yeah. I wet up the bed.
That's why I say, man, once now your head, man, once you start the work and everything is alright.
Yeah, man.
Because me and my sister, when I say that flood out as well, you know. Because I think about it yesterday, I say, yo, how do I manage with the rain?
Yeah, tell me some video it and say when Kino come, I go show you more than this. But you know, no current the phone dead.
Phone dead. Because boy, I tell
Still
you.
the funny, so you will see it another day.
Yeah, you see it another day. Come can see a digger, a little trench from in there.
Yeah, that's the water can
You
come.
know.
The water that come in and I come underneath the table, so we put them there.
Yeah. Yeah, because the whole place on the flood, man. Yesterday, you know. A piece of rain. A piece of rain
And
coming
one
up.
night and the rain.
Yeah. And the time I come in, I see new kids.
That, Nana never.
But now never this. Oh, no, she. And one I was concerned. Like your hairstyle. It's nice. How you do it, Anna? Yeah, her hairstyle nice. And the next one over there, so.
Cover hide inside.
Oh, shy. Because shy is video shy.
The boy one.
Oh, Marley is video shy. You know Marley. Well, as I say, we want to try to get this thing over with.
Yeah.
So we can start out everything as well, you know, because we have Chucky and we have there's other things to do with as well. So we're going to try to do with everything as quick as possible we can.
Yeah, man.
Because we have other people who are trying to get the support for as well too.
Yes.
And as I said, the Eyes Wide Open Foundation I try start out some donation towards the material and things. So them I try. Them I do that on the Friday. Meanwhile we are going to do what we are doing at the time. So we definitely will start out that place of fear.
Yes, yeah.
Everybody watch and say, yo, you really need the help. You know? So we have a donation fee as well too. And this is Faith from the UK. 10,000 naira from Faith from the UK.
Thank you, Faith, from the UK. This is a start for me. Do anything I want to do.
Yeah, and we also have Minister Beverly from the USA 2005. From Minister Beverly.
Thank you, Minister Beverly. Thank you very much for everything you do for me. I don't know God will help you. That my pocket never empty.
Yeah. Yeah, man, and let's go on with the faith here, man. Let's go on be strong. I will say everything will happen. After a storm, there must be a calm. So
Yeah.
everything will be alright. So let's go and fight it right now. Go and fight the fight. I would say you have a lot of future around you right now.
Yeah, man.
And the kids, that's the future. And I really see the situation. Sorry for the flood we have yesterday.
Yeah. She said to me, say, Mommy, video is my Kino see you in a wet. So I saw now the phone did for 15%.
Yeah.
Just take it up and say, I remember it.
You know, reach down on that side there? Down at the end part?
Yeah. Move out the barrel and put cups up and the whole of them. I show you. Water beats up to the big hole in there. Come on. Right, fan. The water feeds the little girl cold, see what it?
The water make a lot
Yeah.
beat.
Only right just no wet. After them pick the go up there and fix the top all in for the top.
Yeah.
The bed no wet none at all. Right just a water drop. Water run from the board them like the nail hole them. The nail them a nail.
Yeah.
Water run no pan.
Cause you
On the board them.
have a lot of hole, like I can see the light them a come through, the sun rays them a come
Right,
through.
that's what the TV did. They had the soak the TV, soak, but you know the camera.
Oh, the whole TV. Oh, so water run from up the as well too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see it.
So the TV, now them pick the room. That this morning, I see them get up, fix back the bed and spread up it. And then I run.
Cement them never wet up the way.
No, water don't run right there, so.
Yeah. So if them with them I get hard.
Yeah, them will get tough.
Yeah, man. So you go and pray,
I
man.
make a change this morning, because water run comes.
We're out here, so?
I make a change.
Yeah. Come and to say your face it, man, Dana, man.
Yeah.
Oh, the trench at the right round there, so.
Yeah.
Are you bringing the black them?
Yeah, man, we carry me the same night. We carry me not here. Back at them, you know. But we put in the last one. We ain't going to start. I said, I have to duck back at them and then Chris said, come in. Everybody come in and lock the door. Now if you bend down. I tell her right out, that's a gunshot. Yeah, we know, sir. They said, Chris, they said, we build up one black house, you know, instead of one board car, boy. And gunshot thing, yeah.
Yeah, I tell you.
Yeah.
We are cry for peace in the place, man, because
Tell her, man.
nothing can last for long, you know. You see me? Yeah. So,
That's why I have to serve God, you know.
yeah,
Man, me step out.
definitely.
Always I serve God.
I'm my eye. The eye. See a long time. Be eye, the man will see him long time. So Dana,
Yeah.
as I say, we are keep continue going to the good work.
Yeah, man.
And we are continue.
Black inside.
Yeah, them inside. And the cement and the sand them and thing and wash it.
No, them pick the black stone around them.
Yeah.
So you see the water will run from right just so now go down which part them there but it turn so.
Okay,
So
okay.
that if the black them stone them never they round it, it'll go straight through it.
Yeah.
But through them put the stone them pack around it. Just turn side here.
Well, it's really a blessing you have them around here still, but not like and them really come in handy. The young genius them man. All of them.
Them I say, mommy, them put it right which part water go them. I say, we'll get some stone. So you see through the little debris the side eye. The stone, then we just take the stone and pack around.
Yeah, and the water does run off for some years. Yeah, man. And look at future them, you know.
But Kino, we thank God for you, know. And me I tell you, say, God I go bless you, you know. You have a blessing I get if you don't fall for you, don't fall for your children.
Yeah, true.
And all of the
Dream team members, you know.
Yeah, you see you, one woman come to you, you can cook too much.
And I'm the chef. And I'm the chef. No, I'm not there. I'm up at the kitchen there cook.
Yeah, man.
The chef.
Too much. As soon as a woman comes, I want.
Yeah, man.
Foreign man love Jamaican cooking, you know.
Yeah, man. Them are lost half enough already.
Yeah.
The right one not convenient.
Okay.
So you definitely I get a film chance. Yeah. So go on with the face me. You see me again here.
Yeah, man. You too.
Blessings and gift and kids. Alright then, yeah.
That's not easy. Yeah.
Come in, dream team.
I'm ready.
Sure. Alright, one time I'm quick now, yeah? You want to become a dream team member too? You want to become a member?
Four of them, so they want.
Who want to become a dream team member?
Me.
The whole lot, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, so you don't want to become a dream team member? Yeah. So the whole lot don't want to become a dream. Alright then. So one of the future then. Yeah, so now come help the good in the community. Alright then. We like that, yeah? You said dream team.
Dream team.
Alright.
Wait, the rock again, you know.
Go on.
Go on, Choco.
Oh, it's a good.
That's up.
Great, Mr. Great. Up there, my boss. You know. Oh. Man, you're the general in my way. I catch your boss in a general that, yeah?
Alright, my general.
Great, Mr. Green.
Mr. Green. When I do woman when you say.
That Kino go say every time you come here, you wash.
Always I wash.
Wash it.
Always I wash. Come let me have to bring mine. I always come when you're done wash. The ginger.
There, bro, I want to hold it, man. Girl, a long time, I don't want to.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, yes, and a good girl, man. I love how she get the help, you know?
Yeah, for
Because she
real, man.
need it, because she alone and you don't know.
Yeah.
So for you can say kind of rough here, you see.
Yeah, I understand, man.
So I like that's why I go on for her still, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, okay, don't
She's
know.
right.
We are fair the
Prince, yeah, go
part.
out with.
Prince! Whoa!
See
Did I sleep? Just awake. Yeah, alright though. You see, there's nothing, so I go on. I go on as usual, just don't wash. You're not done yet? So we had 3 times a day you pick them change, you and them. 3 times a day you change. Yeah, live life 3 times a day, you don't have so much washing. Every day. Yeah, man. You want to come in because we have some donation for you. What the kids them there? For the young Kino there? Young Kino, are you wash? What? Are you wash? No? What you do? You carry water? What you help her do?
Water and my rings.
Carry water and your rings. So the big daughter, you a wash? And you a wash? No, what you a do?
Rings.
Yeah, rings. So 2 rings. And mommy a wash and she na a wash. Oh, not each she na a wash. 2 of them are rings. So 3 times a day, 3 times a day I change man young kid and say I go on. How we are going to store love. Yeah, not t-shirt, you don't know me there again once more. Bring some donation for you as well too. You know, towards the cars. Oh, you're in the rain? Yeah, rain going bad though. You have leak inside too. Because the water's supposed to
Sweep up the house stuff.
one can sweep out the whole stuff.
Treat that sweat. Drip, 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 drip.
So it come right inside though.
Thing come in the one. In the kitchen.
Yeah.
And it come in the room in the bathroom.
All them means you're just so over, you know. You know, Almighty are going to steer you in the right direction. So after a storm, there must be a calm. So
No last week now, we have
no.
salvation.
Alright then, see there. So everything I go alright, man, you know. Everything I go. Yes, Natisha. As I say, I like how you could smile and come on back from your face, you know. And that's what I want to see. Just let me know you go through the struggle, you know. Because them talk about you, them real concerned. You watch the program?
Can't get watched.
Can't watch, okay. Yeah. But as I said,
Reach a party, jump off.
as I said, the amount of people who want to bring tablet phone and so boy, when I'm done now, I'll host with a tablet. You know, I'm really glad for the people that want to reach out. Because if it never was for the COVID, like what enough for them say, it'd get even much more support. But through the COVID now, enough for them not really to hold up on a steady income because enough for them not working and enough to think about. Enough for them to try to do them best. They can assist you to come out of that situation, I understand. So we give thanks to you, I feel like donors them will reach out so far. And as we always say, and who not reach out yet, there's a lot more I'm going to reach out towards your cause as we go along on the journey. You understand? Because your journey only going to start now with the dream team. And we have a long way to go till we accomplish it. You understand? You don't know, so you're going to be one of the house working guy. They're going to pass on the button to you, you know, so Prince pass on the button over to the street and you know, so button come pass on back to you with house working and bigger things. So that day that will come as well too, you know. It's going to be the joyful day where everybody will wait to see when time everything is ready for you. Because we can't wait to see that. Our Father God already set that for you, without a doubt. So, we have a donation for you as well from Fisher, from USA, $20,000 from Fisher. From Fisher, from the USA.
Thank you very much, Fisher, and God bless you all the time.
Yeah. And this is where's his name? Martin and Deborah from Toronto, Canada. $5,000 from Martin and Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Martin and Deborah family.
Donation
Donation.
from Toronto, Canada.
From Toronto and Canada. Thanks a lot, God bless you.
Yeah, God bless you. And you have a young accountant there, so little Kino, them a talk about you know. You know. So you feel otherwise though?
It's about wallet. Can't go to the company to employer. Can't do nothing.
Yeah.
Just walk out and hope for the best.
Cause even this morning somebody contact me as well to us them family have some holy pack foods and them thing like grown food. Them say man contact me, I can make me know when time they can get them. Cause them line it up with them, you can bring from a town and we can pick them up for you. You understand that a grown food cause them here when you say you sell grown food and put them there so I'm gonna try them best. 2 person call me upon the same thing. So that's a good sign anyway. So once you can get them growing food there, you have a lot of growing food there you can start from the thing from. You know, as I say, no worry man, the blessings will come. I know you always a prayer. You always a prayer go on all the field same here. And everybody don't see your cars already, so everybody will reach out to your cars there and the kids them. I understand. Cause everybody about the rain, you know, because you know you must feel it.
Even me have to sweet, I can't bother. But me have to bother.
Because the right at the part where I fall along in there, that's the water come through?
On the side, like most of the part where the steel them are sure.
Which part? Let me see. More though. Oh, there's so.
No, not here, sir. Here, sir.
Oh.
This is the bathroom, we drop on the jump.
Shoot the light. Oh, you can see the water mark them too.
Yeah. And stay over it.
You can see the water mark them. The whole line, yeah. No wind. All of the mark them on the wall. Showing us a dark, can't pick it up.
See?
Yeah, on the wall, so. Everything can go alright, man. Definitely, I forgot to set up lighting and for you and t-shirt.
Yeah, the credit.
Definitely, I forgot to set up the lighting and for you. So, for you say, I'll wash again tomorrow. So, more washing again tomorrow.
Yeah, I never get washed Friday.
Oh, okay.
Like one of them answer just a listen.
Yeah. Yeah man, so we are waiting for them people for contact go back as well to find the ground food so we can get in it. I mean we say a whole heap of punk in them about as well to them thing there, you know, so it's really good when we get the phone call and I say yeah that's great. You understand, 2 person call. So when we say that St. Thomas or sentence I think, yeah, sentence. So them I bring from out of town, I could meet them and get from them for you. Whole heap of ground food. So keep a finger crossed. Like I got me, you know? Always. More the merry. Can't enough. Young Kino, the young accountant. See them man. And you said the midfielder is a baller. And you have the chef, the cook. She had the cook. The woman, because you inspire the people them as well, you know, for you fight the struggle for so long and them say you're really strong. And I'm like, oh, you really take care of the kids them because it's really short. Because the people them really see, say, oh, she really take care of her kids them. Struggle inspire a lot. To know, say, yo, not for them who are complain. Them I wonder what them are complain fast. The people really go through worse condition than way. They might go through. You understand? And you still try fight it as a single mother for all long. You see me? So, you know, only inspire way to help you. You see me? You inspire people out there who can know, say, yo, them have a grateful see me for life. You see me? For what you are doing. That's why your blessing always come because you never give up. You see me? You never go straight, see me, you sit there for the kids them. Never know where another meal come from. So, we gotta give thanks for that, man. I understand that. We are going to pray for you more, you want to pray for you because we always want health and strength. But the main thing we want is health and strength. Because the work is load, so we have to carry on, same here. We're in the dream team. So I will see you again. So here until next time. You know, I continue come check you here. Alright then, so big up yourself. Yeah?
Big up the dream team and big up all the donors who reach out,
Yeah.
God bless all.
Yeah.
And big up the dream team again.
Yeah. So big up all the donors them once more for the support for Natisha. Blessings and give thanks, and who not reach out yet, still give thanks to you here. And then know so you're the man make things happen. Yeah? Alright then.
You put him already.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Yeah, man, you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Okra soup ready.
Yeah, man, you know?
Full of body.
Yeah, man.
Full of body.
Yeah, man.
Good boy, man.
I tell a man, proper to, you know? You know? Pimenta in it, I get the proper smell, you know? Yeah, man, with pepper in it, you know? Whoa! Yeah, man. See the red, gold and green now we are looking, you know? You see me I say?
Yeah.
Red, gold and green you are looking, you know?
Yeah, see the promoter run right now, them a look on the okra soup and say,
man.
yo, may I drink some of that right now.
Want to the motor and water. Right, I'm gonna come.
Yeah.
A proper okra soup for you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, lots of pimenta seed, you know?
Yeah.
Carrot, okra, you know? Whole heap of menu, whoa! Yeah, man, I say, yo, anyone, you know, whole heap of thing over like a soup.
Yeah.
Whole heap of, you know? Just look over. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, see?
Whoa!
Yeah, man, a couple of spinach in night, the fish and mash out night, you know?
Carrot and the Irish.
Carrot and the Irish and the thing, them, you know?
And the okra and the
Watch the
beans.
pumpkin on top of it, you know? Look at the carrot them cut in a style, cause you know, you cut them fine, them go mash out fast. You see watch the okra. So the taste of the thing, you know? Whew. So, you say ready for you, wanna know?
Yeah, man, everybody out there ready.
Alright, ready, you know?
Whole team ready, you know.
Team ready, you know? Teamwork!
Yeah, man, I'm the dream, man.
Teamwork. Yeah, ready now, teamwork, man, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, cause we don't need team. We're strengthening our team, but it's the team there now, we're strengthening the team, you see me I say? Whoa! Teamwork, people, man, you see me I say? Yeah, man.
One team.
One team, the dream team, you know?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, man, dream team, so I get the cup on the dog and I see how we are dealing with it, see me I say? Whole heap of love to my donors, them, and whole heap of love to my families, them, you know? Whoa!
Whoa!
Yeah, man, you know, I say, man, you see?
One team. Big up yourself, Marley Jenkins.
Marley Jenkins come like me and your family, you know, and always I look out for the youth, them, you know. You see?
And Kiosha.
Kiosha, you know, been on the too far, I can't look out for the back, you know, cause I won't have to just come on my foot, you know. I will just get the thing sorted out, you know. Maya, big up. All the people have no foot there. Because all the love food nation, everybody. Everybody. All the love land, you know. Straight for heart, I tell you. Thing I come right now, when I see that I go set now, you know, so.
Yeah.
When I say proper thing now, I'm set, you know. And I'm a suit, you know. Oh! Yeah, man. Proper thing, you know, I'm going to see it set up, man. All the part, when I saw I want people, man, you see?
Yeah.
All the settings, man, so. Holy Party Marley Jenkins, big up again, you know.
Yeah.
I forgot your still, but holy for respect, you know. Enough love and holy for respect, yeah.
Bless you.
Yeah, man, holy.
Today I go away.
I put a long time to come to Jamaica, come get some apple juice, but you nah come, you know. Nah, come here, so I said that. Whoa! Said you, boss. Said you.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.